Um, I know that you said that you had a fund, like people can invest
Mhm.
with you. Like how does that work? Like what happens?
Yeah, so it's so basically it's a mutual fund trust, and essentially it allows people to invest in our portfolio of apartment buildings through the Peak Multifamily Trust. They can invest cash or they can invest registered funds, so RRSPs, LIRAs, RESPs, TFSAs. So just our ability to now accept investors with those types of funds has really opened the floodgates, I think, for us, because there are still a lot of people that are looking to put that money to use in a better way than they may have in the past, right? Like maybe mutual funds maybe not performed as well as people have liked in some categories. I know some legacy mutual funds that I had that have kind of locked in for a little while, those have dropped right over the last little while because they were in kind of industries that took a little bit of a beating over the last little while. And so I think more and more people are starting to learn that they don't have to be handcuffed to these mutual funds or these investments that traditionally were kind of quote unquote locked in because they're in registered accounts. There's more education now, and we're definitely putting educational content out there that encourages people to at least take a look at their investments and their registered investments. And if they're not happy with it, there's options for them. They can move it. They can self-direct somewhere else. And so our fund has been a beneficiary of that, that closer look at people's investment accounts and wanting more. And also people that, want to invest in real estate, but maybe just don't know how, don't have the time, don't have the expertise. In fact, a number of our investors are active real estate investors in other sectors, but not multifamily, want to get exposure to multifamily. So our fund is an easy way to at least get them started in that. So yeah, no, it's been great. It's been why we launched it was really to scale and to provide access to more people with these types of investments.
And I think you mentioned that you do some coaching with people.
Yeah, so we do some coaching. So a few years ago, we started training people online, live online, how to buy apartment buildings. That evolved. In fact, we're about to launch kind of our another program October 5th, where it's going to be an 8-week intensive. Again, sharing all of our systems, and we're active in the business, right? So we're not teaching, theory. Here's what we're doing. Here's how we're doing it. There's lots to go around for everybody else. So we do an online kind of group course, as well as for people that would kind of want the more one-on-one. Then I do help people one-on-one. And I have I don't overload my schedule with one-on-one. I typically take 4 or 5 per year, and kind of work through again the process and kind of get them to. Some people are buying their first. Some people are just scaling. Maybe buying the third or fourth building with us.